Hello, we are going to make a volcano explode. So first, what you need is a big plate
and
a volcano,
food coloring,
a food coloring, a tablespoon, a baking soda, vinegar, and soap, dishing soap. So first, you put your baking soda. I will ask my younger brother to do it. Okay.
I cannot open it.
She cannot. Okay. Okay, hurry up. More. You put so little. Okay, be careful. Don't let it drop out. Okay. Little bit more. Okay, done. Stop. Then after you done that, you put your soap.
There.
That one lah. Put your soap. Just a little bit. And then you put your food coloring. Afiq hold the handphone. Tunjuk kat volcano. Tunjuk kat volcano. Then you put your food coloring. A little bit only because the color this one very strong. Okay, done. Just a few drops. So after you done that, this is time when it going to explode. Put your vinegar.
Vinegar.
Then you put it.
Explode. Mama.
It's look like brain. Like
It's
the
look
Dr.
like-
Dre one. Dr. Dre. If you want to make it more like brain, just add more vinegar. Yeah.
Lava.
So you can do this experiment. You can buy this at Kiddie Palace.
Oh, cepat.
At Kiddie Palace, we bought this volcano making kit. We buy this at Kiddie Palace. It's only $14.90, so you can buy it. But your vinegar and the baking soda is from your home. You want to see it again, Afiq?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it.
Apa itu?
Add this one.
Masukkan. Gitu.
I'm going to add more this time. I want to make it more. Don't care
Wasted,
about bubbly.
Wasted. Broken.
Not wasted lah. You want to wasted lah. Add soap. Soapy. And then add.
Cover are you?
Whoa.
Got what
Of course lah, got white. Now we
It's so deep
going to
Nasi.
Okay. The color is
My
at
hand.
there. Ambil betul-betul. See?
The color is at there.
I'm going to mix it around.
At there.
See, the color is really strong. See?
Wow, so nice. Just like lava.
Yeah, just like lava. See? Oh, hot. I'm sexy. No, not you.
Dah.
No, I'm going to make it more realistic.
Tada, Singapore.
That's my younger brother. He's quite crazy.
Yeah, I'm a crazy boy.
We need more baking soda. Sorry if I become crazy because this is our first try.
No lah, second
Yeah.
lah.
Yesterday we do it with Akif, but he wake up really late.
At 1 p.m.
Why the red color never mix? Dish.
I still kata that with.
My younger brother very good. That's why he like that.
Tak. Orang kata kawan orang banyak sih.
So that is the about volcano. Bye. Say bye, Afiq.
Bye.